Every headline says it. Trust is at an all-time low. People don't believe politicians, they don't believe institutions, and honestly, they don't believe brands either. That means if you're marketing today, you're operating in a full-blown trust recession. Let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by TexasCMO.com. Here's the problem. Trust is the foundation of conversion. Without it, people won't click, they won't buy, they won't stick around. And building trust isn't about spinning stories anymore. It's about showing the receipts. See, proof beats promises. If you say you're the best, back it up with reviews, case studies, or third-party validation, because transparency wins. Don't just tell people what you sell. Show them how you operate. Let customers see behind the curtain. Consistency matters. Every touch point from your website to your TikToks to your invoices should reinforce that you are who you say you are. We're in a trust recession, but the opportunity is this. Companies that earn credibility now will own loyalty for years. I'm Tony Wright, and this is your Marketing Minute, brought to you by TexasCMO. For more information, visit www.TexasCMO.com.